asphalt, flipping upside down, engulfed in flames. Williamson did not suffer serious injuries in the crash, but he was conscious and, worst of all, trapped upside down in the burning car. Hurley jumped out and tried to right Williamson's car himself. He shouted for the marshals to come and help. The rescue driver was slow to arrive and, in a shocking act of incompetence, the first marshals who arrived did not have fire extinguishers and were wearing ordinary clothes that were not suitable for approaching the fire. Hurley, alone, desperately tried to right the car. The fire was too intense and the weight unbearable. While his friend tried to right the car weighing over 500 kilograms, Roger Williamson, besides facing the unbearable heat of the flames, inhaled a lot of toxic smoke. He grabbed a fire extinguisher and started trying to put out the fire himself, but unfortunately, the flames had already consumed the car with Williamson